my suitcase, trying to find a warm place to spend the night. Heavy rain a-falling, seems I hear your voice calling, it's alright.
Hooray!
Raining out of Georgia.
Oh, I believe it's raining all over the world. Cheers, everybody. Very good. Very good. Cheers. Well, we're back. We are officially back. Maybe I shouldn't have this play through the stream, right? Wait, does this double up? Wait, hang on. Does this sound like it's doubled? Or do you hear it like once? I'll mute it so it doesn't come through on the VOD, right? Yeah, because it comes through. There's two there's two playbacks of it. So there's one for the VOD, there's one for the live stream. If that makes sense. But now the one for the live stream is muted. Oh no, the VOD is muted. One for the VOD is muted. So, good news. The reviews for the previous lesson are in. It's been called everything from shit to fucking shit. I've had people say, I didn't know you were handicapped. Which is funny. I mean, not funny. Sad. Because I'm not handicapped. You know. At least I don't think so. You know, I've never been officially tested for a mental handicap. You know. It's possible. It's completely possible. But yeah, I mean, you know, first episode, first try. We see how it goes. We see how it went. And yeah, it was shit. Okay. You know, not much we can do about that. But you know, in future, we'll try and do better. We'll try and improve, evolve. We'll try and evolve as time goes on. You know, this is weird. Why is this not working? An ad on my own channel? I'm on my alt, logged in as my alt. Oh, is that why? Silence. Silence! Silence, scum! It's weird seeing myself on my follow list. On my alt, I don't follow very many people. Ooh, the WD Black. Is that a new hard drive? I want it. I want it. I want it. Ah, we don't need that. What else has been going on? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You guys weren't meant to see that. So, let's get back into it. Day 2. Not ending the stream until we've finished FreeCodeCamp. So let's try it. Let's try and beat it. This is where we were. We made it up to this point. And the problem was I was pretty tired last night. You know, like, I don't know. I feel like it was just always going to go bad. But now I'm fresh-faced, fresh-minded, and ready to tackle this. We've got plenty of time. Infinite time. According to the clock, infinite time. So, let's do it. I mean, let's just kick it off. Let's kick back, relax, take on this challenge. You know? Where were we? OL, step 27. We made it 27 steps. That's pretty impressive. Like, I'm not sure there was many people that could make it that far in one sitting. Jesus. When I stream, I get so, like, jumpy, man. Like, I swear there's people around me, like, behind me and stuff. Okay. See, yeah, I remember we got to hear. I don't even remember doing any of this stuff. For the bullet points, we had, it's not OL, it's IL. Is that correct? LI. Fuck. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. So LI, and this is OL. It's a bit confusing. Ordered list, and what does that one stand for? LI list. Is it just list? It might just be list. LI. Like, what do we say about that, boys? Could be just that. So, the ordered list, step 27. The code for ordered list is OL. It's similar to an unordered list, but list items in order. This music's loud, guys. Hey, chill, boy, chill. The code for an ordered list is OL. It is similar to an unordered list, but list items in an ordered list are numbered when displayed. I fucking hate this mic, man, I swear. I just wish it would stay up, but it just flops down like that. It just flops, floppy dops. That's not too bad, but it's not actually where I want it. I want it right about there. Okay. Nah, I don't want that song. What is that thing that Chuma has? The mini player. How do I get that? There, mini player. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Can I make it smaller? Oh yeah, cool. I can't go back a song though. I mean, why do I need this in the bottom left? You see that over there? Way down over there. You see that? I don't need that. I've got this little thing now. Is it always on top? It is. Oh shit. Californication. And that was behind me. I don't need it, but I'll just keep it there. Fuck it. Right. Too distracted. Mic arm, not good. Floppy old mic arm. Just stay up, man, please. Can we do something about this? Can we like get a new one of these? Donation goal. Someone, mod, set up the donation goal for the new arm, please, if you don't mind. And we'll get it. We'll get a new one. All right, so we were right here. It's edge of the world, northwestern civilization. Yeah. Okay. The code for an ordered list is similar to an unordered list, but list items in an ordered list are numbered when displayed. So in this one here, it's ordered. All right, that's what's interesting though is I did that, right? I've put OL, flea treatment, thunder, and other cats. Those are the things they hate. But how is it numbered? How is it numbered? Like, what about that is numbered? I don't really get that. I don't get what it means by that. Have I done this? Is that it? Fuck. The 3 LI. Oh, I think this is what put me over the edge for not wanting to finish this. Because the step says... Oh, wait. Okay. Okay, settle down, slow down. Let me pause this for a sec. After the second section element's last H3 element, add an ordered list with these 3 list items. Okay. After the second section. Is it in the wrong place? I really just don't know what the fuck it's talking about, to be honest. Like, what does it mean by second section? Like, I remember doing this last night and thinking this is stupid. And I thought maybe if I'm more awake, it'll be easier. No, apparently not. Section 1 is there. That's where it closes. Section 2, boom. Finishes here, boom. And it says, after the second section, after the second section element's last H3 element. So it's inside of the second section, which is here, and it's the last H3 element, which is right here. Top 3 things cats hate. That's the H3 that we added earlier. And we did it right because we wouldn't have gotten to here if we'd done it wrong. And after that, we're putting an ordered list, which is OL, right there with these 3 items. Okay, did that. So the problem and why it's wrong is because the 3 li elements, which is not mentioned in the step whatsoever, should be nested inside the OL element. I don't get why it's saying OL here. Because it sounds to me like they want, this is what I've just figured out, they want LI. Why would they tell me? Is there a way to do this quickly? I don't know. There probably is. It sounds to me like they want something else, but whoa. Why is that different? Do you see down here? Can I zoom this in? That's probably easier for you to see, right? It says it's not indented like this. Why? What's different? Let's have a look. Let's see if we can figure it out. Section. Li, 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 Li. Tell me lies, tell me sweet little lies. Tell me lies. Aye, aye. Okay. Okay. Sorry, distracted a little bit. Let me zoom out so I can read this properly. Why would it be like that? What's different between this? UL? What does that mean? What does UL mean? I've forgotten. What? Unordered list. Oh! Oh, I've just figured it out. I've just figured it all out. Oh my god. You dumb fuck. Okay, I just figured it all out, everybody. Everybody, I just figured it out, everybody. So before, we had the... I completely forgot about this. We had the UL. Okay. So now we have the OL here. Oh my god, this is so upsetting to me. So upsetting to me. Okay. Is that it? Wait, what? I thought that would be it. Oh, sorry. And then... fuck you, you dumb fuck. LI... Wait, I've just had a crazy thought. I just had a crazy thought. Settle down there, good. Settle down there, good. Right, okay, my bad. My bad about that. Can I copy this again? Copy. Li. Tell me Li. Oops. There's got to be a faster way to do this shit. Like it's so slow. Right, that'll be it. Woo! Figured it out, baby. That brain is so powerful when it wants to be, man. It's crazy. And that worked. It's numbered it now. It all makes sense. We needed the ordered list. What is that called? What is this called? A container? What? Like what? What was wrong? It was telling me what was wrong. Like if I shut that off now, and then I check my code, your figure element. That was a different problem. Yeah, forget it. Forget it. Oh, fuck's sake. What have I done? What did I change? What did I change? Oh my god, I've done... What did I change? I changed something. I don't know what I changed. Your figure element should have an opening tag? What? Figure. That's right there, right? But we don't have a figure. Oh, is it? Oh, it's because we're on a new step. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Okay. So you're good. There's no past. Okay. We need. This is it. Okay. After the ordered list, add another figure element. Right. We can do that. So that's figure. Right. Figures. And what? It's just. What do you do from there? Do you do this? Is that it? Yeah. Encore. Dude, I'm getting good at this game, I swear. Like, I feel like we're in it. Step 29, inside the figure element, you just added nest an image element. Okay. Yes, you fucking cunt. Yeah. That was really good. I need some water from that. Cheers. Cheers. Oh. Inside the figure we did it. Yeah. My god. Way to take the fucking wind out of my sails. My sails were full of wind, and now look at them. Ruined. It is ruined. No. No. Okay. Maybe one day, not today. Step 30. To improve accessibility of the image you added, have an alt. Okay. And you do that by alt. Fuck, man. I really don't remember. It was something like this, right? Was it not? Fuck. It's just shit like this, right? I want you to hear me out. So listen really carefully. Shit like this that's so fucking simple. Like it's the most basic level of simplicity in this entire realm of just everything to do with this world. This is the most simple part of it, right? We're like in the first 30 steps of the first possible small tiny little thing that you got to learn, right? if it's this complicated for this part, give up now. Go fucking, I don't know, learn how to sew, how to knit. Like, I mean, it's a waste of time, I feel like, right? Like, it's never gonna, I'm never gonna be able to get that, but okay. Like, where, like, what? This could be anything from my memory. It could be an equals, it could be a less than symbol. Like, who knows what that could be? Right? It could be anything. So we cheat and we go look at what we did before. It comes after the link and it's A alt equals and then, yeah, okay. So it comes after the link. Is it inside the quotations? Cannot be. And it's alt equals quotations, paste, and you're done. Yo, fuck you, cocksucker, fuck you. Yeah. Okay. Next. Fig caption. I'm actually not looking at the changes here. Okay, so I added this new element. Where do I actually see the... Can I save that? No? Okay. Fig caption. What is a fig caption? A caption underneath. Oh, is this a fig caption? Did we already do a fig caption? Oh, we did. Okay. Could not have told you that, but okay. So it's fig. Oh shit. It's fig caption. What was it? Oh, cats hate other cats. That's not true. Not always. More copying and more fucking pasting. There you go. Cats hate other cats. All right. I suppose you want me to do something like make it bold. Like if I was to go B. Watch this, ready? And then one of these. Yeah. Yeah, it's bold now. Look, it's bold. All right. Pretty good. I mean, like, pretty good. Do we just check it? Yeah. Okay. Way to go. Woohoo. Yeah. Oh, shit. Fuck. 32. Step 32. Yeah. The strong element is used to indicate... The strong is the same as bold. I remember that from the olden days. From way back in the Dizays, right? Is that right? Like, if I replace B right here... Oh, it's edited my code for me. That's confusing. The strong element is used to indicate some text is of strong importance or urgent. Fig caption just indicate that hate is strong with a strong element. So you would just go like this, right? Is this right? Oh, shit. What did I just do there? Confused.com. I always hit the wrong one. Does that work? It does the same thing as the B. So why would you bother wasting your time writing out strong? Such a waste of human resources, you know what I mean? It's on like Donkey Kong. Fucking right it is. Fucking right. I still don't get that stuff they talked about earlier, like way back at the start, where it was like, some tags will automatically close. You don't need to do this because it'll automatically close. To do with the image one. What was that about? So the image ones automatically close? How does that work? I don't really get that. Okay, fine. Where were we? Oh. It's time to add a new section. Add a third section element below the section element. The second section element. Okay. Sure. I could do that. I wish there was a bit of autocomplete in this, you know what I mean? You know? Like, I would just wish there was a bit of that going on. That kind of what they're looking for. I can't do those the right way around. I never fucking get it right. Most triumphant of me. Yes, good. Inside the third section element, add a H2 element. Okay. Okay. Cat form. I'm in my cat form right now. I'm in my fucking cat form. Congratulations, your code passed. Submit your code to continue. Step 35. Now you will add a web form to collect information from users. The form element is used to get information from a user like their name, their email, and other data. After a cat formatting from add a form element. Ooh, a form is an element? Incredible. Who would have known that? Form. Oh wait, how do you do this again? Form. Oh, it's a cat form. I have to add cat in there. Cat form. The more you say form, the less of a word it becomes. You know what I mean? What? The form element should not have content. Oops, sorry. Oh, sorry. There you go. Submit your code to continue. Pirates, you fucking bastard, yeah. Step 36. The action attribute indicates where form data should be sent. Here is an example of form element with an action attribute. Oh, very good. Form action is equal to submit URL. Form. What am I looking at there? In the example, action is equal to submit-URL tells the browser that the form data should be sent to the path submit URL. Okay, forms action sends information to submit URL. So you want the action to be sent to this place, the submit cat photo to the form element. Okay, I can do that, right? I can do that. I believe form action is equal to this place right here, like this. Pow. Can I just close it like this? All right, no, I can't. Okay. I get so thirsty doing this, man. I spilled. What do you mean it doesn't have an action attribute? Oh, you fucking dopey fuck. You fucking dopey fuck piece of shit. All that shit is not necessary. I'm so stupid. How am I meant to know that, though? It doesn't... Nothing goes in... You put it in there. Like that. Fucking dumb fuck. I'm walking on sunshine. Oh! Don't it feel good? Okay. Step 37. The input element shows you several ways to collect data from the web. From a web form. What the fuck? What the fuck is this? Why? Why waste my time with that? Come on. Come on. Come on. Anyway. Step 37, the input element shows you several ways to collect data from a web form, like image elements, input elements, and self-closing and do not need closing. Whoa! This is what I was talking about earlier. Hey, settle down there. Hey, don't move. Oh, hold on. What was I going to say? The input element shows you several ways. Yeah. What I was saying earlier, self-closing stuff. Like, I don't get what this means. It said it way back at the beginning, and I didn't get it then. I don't get it now. So, nesting. Problem with this is it gives like there's so much help you get from this. Like, you're not really learning because like it's telling me you put it here because it's created a gap here and just showed me that this is where you're going to be typing. It's very busy. Like, I wish it was all separate and I had to like just look at this. This is nice to look at to me, more or nicer than this, like in between where it's cut out of, and these buttons are all in between. Like, I prefer just the open thing to look at and look through. It makes more sense to me, weirdly. Anyway. Wait, hold on. Yeah, the self-closing element thing, I don't get. Let me read this because I don't think I've actually read this yet. Because I really struggle to read. Like, that might just be a me thing. Me thing, right? So let's try and read it. Here we go. Are you ready? The input element allows you several ways to collect data from a web form. Input. This is the input element. Allows you to collect data from some web form. Like image elements, input elements. Whoa. Oh, sorry. It's saying like image elements. Input elements are self-closing and do not need closing tags. Okay, so nest an input element in the form element. Where do I put that? Right here? Input like this? Is it as simple as that? Oh. That was simple. It has to be after this is closed, though. The form action. Oh my god, it's so confusing, bro. If I tried to do this on my own, I'd be so lost, man. Like, without all these little nudges and hints and stuff. To know that this goes outside of this, like, it's so arbitrary to me. Like, this could be inside of these, outside of these, outside of the form thing, inside of the form thing, inside of the brackets, or inside of the quotations, and it has to be in front of the equals, blah, blah, blah. I don't know. Just. Wait, what the fuck? Ain't no way. Ain't no way, bruh. Ain't no way, bruh. All right, we did it. Easy peasy, level 3. Step 38. There are many kinds of inputs that you can create using the type attribute. The type attribute. And again, it tells me where I'm going to put it. Like, I don't need, it's on this side of the input, right? Why even tell me that? So what, is it like this? There are many kinds of inputs you can create using the type attribute. You can easily create a password field, reset button, or a control to let users select a file from their computer. Create a text field and to get text input from a user by adding the type attribute with the value text. So what does that mean? Type is equal to what? Text? Is that how that works? Shut the fuck up. What? So annoying, man. Create a text field. Wait. Like, this is again just another one of those situations where it could be anything. Like, I could be in here going input is equal to type, then blah 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 blah, right? It could be on the outside as one of these, another one of these things, where I do one of those, right? Could be one of those situations, but I just don't know. There are many kinds of inputs you can create using the type attribute. It's an attribute, and I probably should have learned by now what an attribute is. I'm guessing that's how they would say, or how they would argue that it's not their fault, it's my fault. So yeah, I should have probably learned what an attribute is by now, and they probably say it all the time. Like, this is an attribute. This is what are the other element? This is an element. This is an attribute. You should know the difference. An anchor. This is a paragraph. An anchor. Right. So the only way I'm going to get the answer is by just fucking hitting enter, submit, and it being wrong, and then being like told how to do it, and being like, yeah, now I've been told, I know exactly what I'm doing. This is fine. Which is, just the way she goes sometimes. Just the way she goes sometimes. You guys gonna watch the F1 tonight? Should be a fucking killer race. How was that quali, huh? How was that quali? That was something else. What was it again? 1:12.000 was the pole position time. And the second place time was 1:12.000. Exactly the same. Oh my God. Unbelievable. Incredible. What am I talking about? Water. Oh. 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 Oh, Jesus, I almost dropped it. So wet and slippy. That glass. Okay. Step 38. There are many kinds of inputs you can create using the type attribute. You can easily create a password field or a control. So that uses da-da-da. Okay. Okay, let's just read this like scientists, okay? Create a text field create a text field to get text input from a user by adding the type attribute with the value text to the input element. So input is equal to text over type. Huh? What did I just do there? I don't know. I really don't have a fucking clue what's going on right now. It's like I said. It's like I said. It's like I said. It's like I said. It's just like I said.
Space baby for the factory, space baby, and only with space baby.
All right. It's like I said. The only way that I'm going to get the answer for this is to go text. I don't know. Is equal to, or what was it? Type is equal to. Fuck. It's really frustrating me because they're like, you should be able to do this based on the information you've been given, right? You shouldn't get it wrong. Like, it should be possible to do it without getting it wrong, right? Okay, fair enough. But then I clearly have not got the information to do it. Like, I clearly have not picked up enough information to do it. I'm too stupid to have picked that up. So we just type fucking something. Fuck you. And then we say, let's say, what's wrong with it? Your form element should only contain the input element. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, my brain is being turned to dust. Your form element, which is, let me see, ends there, starts here, should only contain input. Oh my god, I'm dying. I'm actually dying. Your form element should only contain the input element. Remove any extra HTML elements or text between the form elements tag. All right, fine, we did that. Typing a random piece of shit doesn't make a difference. Okay, so which also means we should have type as an attribute. Is that right? Type text? I don't know. See, I can't even get close enough. Don't give up. Keep trying. You're getting there. Hang in there. Hang in there, little bro. Don't give up. You're getting there. Hang in there. Don't give up. You try again. Keep trying. Hang in there. Fucking hell, man. Right, let's just have a look at something else. What's another way we could do this? What other things have we done? It says... why am I... why can I not speak for more than fucking half an hour before my voice just starts going away? It's really annoying. All right, so image. Inside of image, it says src equal to this, right? Let's do it like that, because this thing is the exact same thing as the other thing. Haha. Nobody saw that coming. Fuck. Your input element does not have a type attribute with the value text. Like, what? Although you have set the input element's type attribute... This is getting ridiculous, dude. This is getting absolutely fucking heinous, dude. Absolutely fucking heinous, dude. Like, are you with me, guys, on this? Are you fucking with me on this? Like, what is going on? Oh, look, the form is kind of working. Look. If I get rid of this, does that go away? Oh, cool. So having an input thing, just having the input thing there gives me this little box. Yo. What up, dude? Shit. That's cool. Okay. Sorry. Although you have... Let me undo. Although you have set the input element's type attribute to the text, it is recommended to always surround the value of an attribute with quotation marks. Like that. Oh, shit. Listen, all you need to do is fuck up. This is a life lesson. Ready? This is a life lesson that these guys are giving to you for free. Okay, you ready? Everybody, clip this. If you're struggling to figure something out, if you want to achieve something but you can't be bothered, maybe, or it's too hard for you, fuck up so badly and so often that people take pity on you and they'll come and help you. They'll do it for you, and that's the answer to life, really. I mean, that's how you get by in life. You become such a fuck up that people help you out. That really is the key to life. So there you go. Lesson learned. Let us continue. Step 39. In order for a form's data to be accessed by the location specified in the action attribute, the action attribute. We never did that. What are you talking? Oh, we did. Form action. Shit. This is actually crazy. My throat feels like it's going to die or just disappear. That is so crazy. That is so crazy what just happened to me. All right. In order for a form's data to be accessed by the location specified in the action attribute, you must give the text field a name attribute and assign it a value to represent the data being submitted. Okay. You must give the text field a name attribute and assign it a value to represent the data being submitted. You must give the text field a name attribute. Okay, so we just add it to the end of this. Simple. Name is equal to name. Or what is it called? What do you want it to be called? Cat photo URL. Okay, we can do that. Cat photo URL. Like, this is what's crazy. Who could possibly remember that? Who could possibly remember that it's something that you need a name after you've had input type? After you've inputted type, after you've had an input of typing text, you'd need also the name, cat photo, your URL of some kind. Who would remember that? Who would remember that? Nobody. There is no spoon. That's right. Okay. Dude, why don't we watch The Matrix? That would be a better use of our time. Do you feel that? You appreciate that or no? Well, we made it step 40. We're getting close. We've only got 29 more to go. And then we're finished forever. I need to sneeze. All right. Step 40. Placeholder text is used to give people a hint about what kind of information to enter into an input. Here is an example of an input element with a placeholder name set to example Jane Doe. Okay, that's kind of cool. They do that. They give it a placeholder. How does that work then? Just call it placeholder is equal to fuck you, bitch. That's cool. I like that. Okay. There. Are you happy? I did it properly. You fucking losers. Congratulations, your code passes. Submit your code to continue. Step 41. To prevent a user from submitting your form when required, information is missing. You need to add the required attribute to an input element. There is no need to set a value for the required attribute. Instead, just add the word required to the input element, making sure there is space between it and other attributes. Total word comprehension, or total comprehension of that was 0.0%. I read that, but I might as well have just read some ancient Egyptian scribbles on a wall. You know what I mean? That's how much went into my brain. I probably, from the ancient Egyptian scrolls, I'd have got something more because there's a little bit of, visual information there which I can take in. But the words, no. There's nothing. Nothing came from that. I should probably get ready to go because this is stupid. Maybe I'll message. No, I'll just go through, okay? I'll just go through in a second, okay? In a second. I'll do a little be right back kind of thing. Okay, but let's try and do this one before we do that, okay? If we get to 42, that's pretty good. It's pretty good. Please set my fucking throat free, please. To prevent a user from submitting your form when required, information is missing. You need to add the required attribute to an input element. There is no need to set the value to the required attribute. Instead, just add the word required to the input element, making sure there is a space between it and other attributes. Okay. To prevent a user from submitting your form when required information is missing. Okay, so we need a required attribute. Okay. We add in right here required equal to what? Come. Only come inside anime girls. Quivering clit. What is the rest of that song? Bouncing balls. That's such a good song. Could I find that? It's got to be here somewhere. There's no way that I would allow this to be taken from my computer. It's got to be here somewhere. Maybe it's backed up. Into my backup folder. The big, bad backup folder. Oh, yeah. Welcome to the cum zone. Oh, I think I found it. Is that it? I think this might be it.
Only come inside anime girls. Quivering clit, double-jointed pussy. Fresh balls. Elegant ejaculation. First the kiss. Then the cum.
That was good. That should be like some kind of alert, I feel like. It should be like a tier 3 sub alert. That'd be sweet. Only come inside enemy girls. Quivering clit, double-jointed pussy. I'm getting distracted. Required. Just add the word required. Okay. Like this. Boom. Sorry. A value should not be given to the required attribute. Well, I thought that's what you said. Just add the word required. Oh, I read that wrong. All right. Sorry. It's time to duel. Well, that's pretty good. We made it to the meaning of life. That's pretty good. If we made it to the meaning of life, that's pretty good. I will be right back. If I'm not back, forgive me. But, it was good while it lasted, I feel like. What can I have as a be right back screen? Like this? Who doesn't want to look at that? That's pretty sweet. You know what I mean? All right, I'll be back in a little second or two, okay?
Say what? Say bloody what? Hey, what do you fucking say to me, you little bastard, you?
Okay. Do we continue from this, or do I just end right now? Because just how busy everything's going to be in the relatively close future, I feel like I should probably just end. I mean, like, what is the time? Can I get some kind of clock up here? Can I get some kind of clock? Ah! Big fat clock is what we want. We want a big fat clock. That shows UK time. Okay, a big fat clock that shows UK time. There it is. Nice. So, 19 minutes past 6, right? The F1, I believe, starts at 7 p.m. That's 40 minutes and 25 seconds from now, right? Is that right? Was that right? That's pretty cool if it was. That means simply that we must end and go get the shopping, come back, watch that, and then, maybe do some more cat building, How does that sound to everybody? We did the form. Like, we're all proud of ourselves for that. We got to step 42. Excited to continue. Like, this is a much more positive end. We're ending because of our own free will, not because of roadblocks, That's great. That's good news. Day 2 was great. $700 little rockers all rid of a jazz. And when the sun went down, the rapid tempo of the music fell. C'est la vie, say the old folks. It goes to show you never can tell. All right. Thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. It's been so nice to see you all again. It's nice, It's real nice to see you all. Bye-bye.